Baryonyx, the heavy-clawed fish-eating dinosaur. Baryonyx, meaning heavy claw, is a fascinating genus of theropod dinosaur that lived during the early Cretaceous period, approximately 130 to 125 million years ago. Its discovery in the 1980s significantly expanded our understanding of theropod diversity and challenged the prevailing notion that all large carnivorous dinosaurs were exclusively land-based hunters. Discovery and naming. The first significant fossil evidence of Baryonyx was unearthed in 1983 by amateur fossil collector William J. Walker in a clay pit in Surrey, England. This discovery, which included a remarkably complete skeleton, one of the most complete theropod skeletons found in the UK at the time, led paleontologists Alan J. Charig and Angela C. Milner to formally describe and name the dinosaur Baryonyx walkeri in 1986. The species name honors its discoverer. Physical characteristics and adaptations. Baryonyx was a medium-sized theropod, typically estimated to be between 7.5 to 10 meters, or 25 to 33 feet, long, and weighing around 1 to 2 metric tons. It stood on 2 legs, but its robust forelimbs suggest it might have occasionally moved on all 4s. Its most distinctive features, which set it apart from many other theropods, include large claws. The dinosaur's name, heavy claw, directly refers to the unusually large hooked claw on its first finger, thumb, which could measure up to 31 centimeters or 12 inches long. These claws were likely used for grasping slippery prey, particularly fish. Crocodile-like snout. Baryonyx possessed a long, low, and narrow snout remarkably similar to that of a modern gharial. The tip of its snout expanded into a rosette shape, and the upper jaw featured a distinctive notch that fit into the upward curving lower jaw. This specialized jaw structure would have provided excellent grip on struggling prey. Numerous conical teeth. Unlike the blade-like serrated teeth of many other theropods, Baryonyx had numerous, up to 96, finely serrated conical teeth, particularly in the front of its jaws. These teeth were well suited for piercing and holding fish. Retracted nostrils. Its nostrils were set farther back on the snout than in most other theropods, an adaptation that may have allowed Baryonyx to breathe while its head was partially submerged, similar to modern crocodiles. Possible dorsal ridge. While not as prominent as the sail of its relative Spinosaurus, some evidence suggests Baryonyx may have had a low hump or ridge along its back formed by elongated neural spines. Habitat and lifestyle. Baryonyx inhabited the floodplains and swamps of early Cretaceous Europe, particularly in what is now England and Spain. This environment was characterized by winding rivers, swampy lagoons, and abundant freshwater sources. Fossil evidence strongly suggests that Baryonyx was a semi-aquatic predator, spending a significant portion of its time in or around water. Its unique adaptations point to a lifestyle that included piscivory, or fish-eating. The most compelling evidence for its fish-eating diet comes from the discovery of fossilized fish scales from the prehistoric fish Lepidotus in the stomach region of the holotype specimen. Its specialized snout, conical teeth, and large thumb claws were all perfectly suited for catching fish. Paleontologists theorize that Baryonyx may have hunted by wading into shallow water or standing on riverbanks, using its claws to hook fish out of the water, much like a modern grizzly bear. Opportunistic hunter or scavenger. While fish appear to have been its primary food source, the stomach contents of some Baryonyx specimens have also included bones of a juvenile iguanodontid dinosaur, indicating that it also preyed on land animals or scavenged carnion. Its robust forelimbs and claws would have been effective for processing larger prey as well. Solitary and territorial. It is believed that Baryonyx was likely a solitary and territorial predator, establishing hunting grounds near rivers and lakes. Classification and relatives. Baryonyx belongs to the family Spinosauridae, a group of theropods characterized by their elongated, crocodile-like jaws and often semi-aquatic adaptations. Other notable members of this family include the much larger Spinosaurus from Africa and Suchomimus from Niger. The discovery of Baryonyx provided crucial insights into the evolution and lifestyle of Spinosaurids, especially after the original Spinosaurus holotype was destroyed in World War II. Some paleontologists have debated whether Suchosaurus cultridens, known from older tooth fossils, might be a senior synonym of Baryonyx, but they are generally kept separate. Baryonyx stands as a prime example of evolutionary specialization within theropods, showcasing how different lineages adapted to unique ecological niches in the diverse world of the dinosaurs.